Bitcoin is steady at $112,400, down nearly 0.5% today. But the real news is the forecast coming from Wall Street. Analysts are sharply divided on how far Bitcoin could climb by the end of the year. Some conservative estimates, like Barclays, put Bitcoin at around $116,000. Others have even bolder predictions. H.C. Wainwright and BTIG set their target at $150,000. Compass Point predicts $160,000, while Benchmark goes higher at $164,000. Bernstein believes $200,000 is possible. Maxim, however, is the boldest, calling for $210,000. These predictions come from a historic $7 trillion in U.S. money market funds. This cash could move into risk assets like Bitcoin if the Federal Reserve cuts interest rates soon. Even a small fraction of that flow could ignite the next massive rally. The United States is also making historic moves on the regulatory front. The Genius Act, signed this summer, mandates stablecoin issuers to maintain full reserves. They must keep 100% in cash or highly liquid assets. Strict audits and transparency rules are also required. It effectively legitimizes stablecoins while creating heavy hurdles for smaller issuers. Lawmakers are also pushing for a U.S. crypto reserve. This reserve would include Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, XRP, and Cardano in the National Financial Plan. If implemented, it will be the first time a major government directly holds digital assets in such a structured way. Regulators are also pressing ahead with a rulemaking sprint. The SEC and CFTC are joining forces to create a framework for digital assets. This will clarify topics like staking and decentralized finance. Critics warn it may take years, but the pressure to deliver is real. Across the Atlantic, the United Kingdom is preparing sweeping new crypto rules. By the end of 2025, exchanges, brokers, and custodians will follow stricter rules. These rules will focus on protecting consumers and ensuring operational resilience. Starting January 1st, 2026, UK platforms must gather and report detailed user and transaction data. This will follow global standards. This is meant to align London with international norms while still keeping it competitive as a financial center. Ethereum is staying above $4,300. It's down a bit today, but still steady next to Bitcoin. Altcoins are starting to take more attention, with the Altcoin Season Index rising. Solana is up nearly 4%. XRP climbed 2.5% to just over $3. Dogecoin gained almost 3%. Ethereum shows strength with a close to 1% rise. Worldcoin is the standout, jumping over 50%. This surge followed 8co's big token purchases, which also skyrocketed its stock by thousands of percent. The move reflects MicroStrategy's well-known Bitcoin strategy. It shows that corporate investments in Bitcoin are still ongoing. Not every company is celebrating. Firms that copied the so-called crypto treasury model are now being punished in the market. Shares of a Trump-linked crypto firm have dropped more than 35%. UK-based SmarterWeb and others have also seen sharp declines. Many are now valued below their crypto holdings, raising alarms that the corporate treasury hype cycle may be ending. Analysts say any company thinking about holding Bitcoin or Solana must set strict rules first. Still, innovation continues. Ripple is preparing for its annual Swell conference this November in New York. Big announcements on payments and institutional partnerships are expected. The launch of the Dogecoin ETF, ticker Doge, is another milestone. It lets traditional investors access Doge through a regulated ETF. However, this comes with trade-offs in performance and higher fees compared to holding the token directly. Newcomers are stirring hype as well. Hyperliquid, known by ticker Hype, has hit fresh all-time highs, with institutions seeing it as a potential challenger to Solana. Brett is a fun Ethereum Layer 2 meme token. It has raised over $3 million in pre-sale. Plus, it offers staking rewards above 850% annually. Some backers are predicting 50 times returns if it takes off. Meme favorites like Dogecoin and Pepe Coin are gaining momentum again. traders are jumping back into these speculative plays. Artificial intelligence is also finding its way into the crypto narrative. Ozak AI, a blockchain project powered by machine learning, has drawn strong presale demand. Investors view AI and crypto as a perfect match. They combine automation, data analytics, and decentralized finance into one ecosystem. Taken together, today's crypto landscape shows a clear pattern. Bitcoin is steady now, but it's ready for a big move. This could be driven by trillions in cash waiting on the sidelines and strong forecasts from institutions. U.S. regulation is crystallizing around stablecoins and a possible national crypto reserve. The U.K. is pushing ahead with its own sweeping rules. Altcoins are staging a comeback, led by Solana, XRP, and Worldcoin. Meme tokens and pre-sales are generating buzz, while AI-based platforms hint at the next frontier. It's a mix of consolidation, innovation, and speculation that keeps both U.S. and U.K. investors glued to the charts. Crypto is always changing. Central bank decisions are coming. Corporate strategies are shifting, and regulators are setting rules. The next few weeks could be crucial. The crypto story is just beginning. Whether you're watching Bitcoin rise, looking for altcoin chances, or tracking political shifts in digital assets, there's a lot to explore.